Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, I'm not really sure. I don't know why.
Why?
But if you have, then you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So glad that you are here. Today I'm just doing a wig show and tell. Honestly, I have avoided this wig like no other, and it was a subscriber request, so I want to get it done. Although you requested it a long time ago, I'm really sorry. I have feelings about this wig. I've had feelings about a lot of wigs lately. Anyway, let's talk about who we're talking about. This is from Outre. This is one of their daily wear wigs, and this is a lace parting wig. We have Thora. I have her in the color DR Honey Auburn. Okay, like I said, she's a lace parting wig. Standard construction, 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. This says she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. It says that she's shiftable, which, okay, she probably is. And these are supposed to be ones that you can wear like every day. I find that lace parting wigs are really great for that. I love the lace parting wigs from Free Twist Equal because I love Free Twist Equal. So I have a love-hate thing with this wig. She is long. I am 5'6.5". Do you see my cat there? I'm 5'6.5", so I'm putting her in the 30-inch. Yeah, 28-30. I think if this was all dark, I might not feel as weird about it. I do like the dark roots, and the curls are very nice. I don't like the layering. Do you see how this is like, I feel like this should be longer, or the whole wig should be short. I don't really know. The curls feel nice. It's a curly texture. It's a light yucky texture. It's gonna feel like natural curly hair. I don't know how practical this is for daily wear, just because if you're gonna go this route, I wouldn't go this wig. I have some really cute curly wigs from Harlem 125 that you can check out, but let's look at it from the back. Yeah, she's pretty long. I mean, the movement's good. She looks pretty. I don't think this is like a daily wear wig. I almost want to like put this part up or something. I'm not really sure. So pros and cons. I don't know how daily wear this is. It's hard to find a nice curly synthetic wig that's gonna last. I think I like the wig if it was more of a darker color, and I love my light colors, but in this particular wig, I'm not feeling it. She was super easy to get together, but you see, like, I've only been playing with her for a little while. She's gonna get frizzy and weird. Like I said, I have some curly wigs that I like. One from Janet Collection, Doris, Harlem 125. It's one that I have in purple. Check that one out. Those are just better curly wigs if you want a synthetic wig. I'm not sure how much I paid for her. I'll put the deets down below. I think I got her off of Poshmark. But yeah, I don't know. For what she's supposed to be, I just don't see her working. I think she's too long. I love the curls. They are soft. They're beautiful, but they're not going to stay like this. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just not feeling this chick. I think this layer is annoying me. If it was all long, I have some wigs from Outre from their lace line, like Ebony, Soraya, Amara, Haley. Look at those, because those are similar to this, but they're lace front. They just look so much better. That's what I have for you. I don't really think I liked any. I think I liked Kimbra, but this line of like the daily wear wigs, I didn't really like them, to be honest with you. But it is meant for a purpose. I think though that this one for that purpose does not work. That's my 2 cents. So if you have this wig and you like it, go ahead and put it down below, because I'm curious. If you have this wig and you don't like it, go ahead and put that down below. If there's any more of this daily wear line you would like me to check out, go ahead and put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.